This product is made especially for technology application teachers in the middle school area. And I used the TEKS based standard. So if you're in Texas, and this was especially made for you, but anyone who teaches technology applications, you're going to find some value in these I Have Who Has cards. If you've never used these before, let me talk you through how you play. Now, when you're playing the I Have Who Has game, first you go ahead and you print out the cards. Here are what the cards look like. There are 40 different cards because we know in secondary, we don't always have a class size of less than 30. Now, if you have more cards than you do students, you can give some students multiple cards. That'll be fun. And these cards are not numbered because the kids are going to have to actively listen to determine which card they have and how it answers the person ahead of them. So these cards are basically a loop. How you play is you're going to distribute the cards to your students. And then you're going to choose the student who has the card that says, I have the first card. They're going to be the ones to start the game. That student is going to read their entire card aloud to the class. They're going to say, I have the first card, who has, and they're going to give their prompt. Whichever student has the correct answer is going to then respond with, I have, and the answer, and then read the next part of their card to continue the loop. You can have students stand up if you want when they play the game, split the class into smaller groups, and they maybe have partial sets of the card. You can have students work in pairs to discuss their cards kind of together. So they have like some battle buddies and they're not all alone. And I would play this more than once. So maybe you do it as an introductory to kind of see what your kids know, or in the middle of the unit as a formative check. There's just so many different ways that you can play this game. Some tips for success is to for sure encourage your students to actively listen. They have to pay really close attention so they know when their turn is up. Now, I also gave you the teacher answer key. So when you come over here, you'll have the editable links. If you want to change out some of the terms that you want to introduce for your classroom or change up, you can with this purchase. And you have the answer key that kind of has all of the different question cards in order so you can see exactly how they were organized. This is great for a bell work activity, a sub plan when you have to be out, some reviews before an assessment, just a fun tech game, collaborative learning, small group. I mean, there's so much we do on the computers. It's nice to have a break from the computers, but still be engaging students in the content. And of course, I have some other things you might be interested in if you have technology in your classroom. Thanks for supporting my small business, teachertech.tips. Be sure to check us out online and follow us on social media for more ideas for freebies and more content. See you there.